Tangsalo Skill Development Department Luwajijakma by NIT Agartala Auditorium Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi Chengjakha Prime Minister Kushal Vikas Yojana 4.0 course. Ashali Panda Manjakha Industry and Commerce Department Secretary Kiran Gite NIT Agartala Director IIT Delhi Director Tai Skill Development Director Khorang.
And there is a translation, and these are working with the community. So this is community-driven AI. You look at AI in healthcare, right? We look at images, scans, you look at MRI, and we look at spatial and temporal disease profiles. There's a lot that can be done, and again, studies have shown that even the most experienced doctor, you've had the doctor alone, AI alone, and AI plus doctor. AI plus doctor always seems to be better than this. There are many such possibilities. We've looked at AI coming in education, and I think looking at ways in which we can co-create the skill sets required for our graduates to fulfill their role and create and get jobs and create value additions. This is something which we are delighted to partner with NIT Agartala and the Tripura government. Increasingly, we need to be able to work with the employers and the future employers and the industry to define what are the skill sets required. Often in the past, we used to have curriculum, we teach what we know, and then the industry tries to see the product that we create and then tries to make that product. We also, of course, give an overall learning so that our ability is to, our goal is to get people to have problem solving skills. So they should be able to actually, but if we can work with industry and government to tailor make skill sets required so that the people who get that training fit in directly into the roles that are needed by society. I think this is something that we can aspire to. We can try to have a process of co-creation.
This reminds me of 1990s or late 1990s, middle to late 1990s, when the IT boom started. And when the IT boom started, many people, they went on short trainings and then moved into IT, which started to rule the world. And India became the global leader in this. Today we are at another transformation journey where the world is being taken over by AI. And AI is becoming so much important and so much popular that every day something new is coming up and every day we hear about new things.
At the outset, I would like to thank IIT Delhi and NIT Agartala for having collaborated with the Skill Development Department for these courses. You might have heard about Skill India program and Skill Mission in the past. So at some point of time, these terms used to be linked with some rudimentary skills for ITI graduates and other traditional learnings. But as we have completed about a decade of this program, now we have moved to much higher levels, and we are now talking about skilling our graduates and postgraduates in collaboration with industry and academia. So this is a supplement to the academic courses that you are having, and the focus areas or the trades that you have chosen. Because there are some mega forces which are now seen in the world, mainly the mega forces of automation, the action against the climate change, digitization, and changing labor markets. So these forces are driving the employability as well as the skilling programs across the world. And when you compare the demands of the industry and the delivery of academic institutions, certainly there are significant gaps, and it is here that we would like to come and chip in and work with academic institutions while you are in the colleges, so that whenever you come out of your courses, you will be more equipped to deal with the challenges.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.